Meaning of inexpressible.
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 Inexpressible. The word inexpressible refers to something that cannot be expressed or described in words. It is a state of being unable to communicate a feeling, emotion, or experience through language because it is beyond words. The feeling or emotion is intense and overwhelming, leaving one at a loss for words. Whether it's the beauty of nature, the depth of grief, or the joy of love, some experiences are too powerful to capture in language. Inexpressible is a reminder that language has its limits and some things are best felt and experienced rather than explained.